Welcome my dear students of primary 2. كل سنة وانتم طيبين ورمضان كريم عليكم كلكم انتوا وأسركم وينعاد علينا يا رب دايما بالخير. Okay, our lesson today is about estimation. Okay, first we need to know what is the meaning of estimation. It's to find a number that closes to another number. Okay, so what is the meaning of estimation? To find the number that closes to another number. And pay attention that our lesson today is estimation, so I will not make any rounding for the numbers. Okay, how to make estimation? I have 4 steps to make estimation. The first one, find the result. So I will have a addition problem or subtraction problem and I need to find the result in the first. What about the second step? Determine the place value. We know that I have 100 tens and ones in my place value. Then the third step, write the number in the highest place value. So I will search for the highest place value and I will write it again. And the last step, make the other numbers 0. Okay, and what about the highest place value? If I have a number that consists of tens and ones like this, 36, 3 is tens, 6 is ones, so the highest place value here is 3 and tens. Okay, but if I have another numbers like 123, the highest place value here is excellent, is the 1, because 1 is 100, 2 tens, 3 in ones, so the highest place value here is 1 because it's 1 in 100. Okay, let's do some problems. Open your booklet, page 91. Find the result, then find the estimation. So here I will not have any rounding for the numbers. Okay, don't forget it. I make estimation only for the result. Okay, we said that estimation means to find number that closes to another number, and I have steps. Okay, what is the first step? Find the result. So here I have to find the result and it's a subtraction problem. Okay, 153 minus 44 equals what? First step, ones minus ones. Here I have 3 in ones and here is 4 in ones. 3 minus 4, not go, excellent, because 3 is smaller than 4, so I can take 4 from 3. So what can I do? Yes, I can hear someone that told me 3 will borrow 10 from 15 and it will be 13. Excellent. And what about 5? Yes, 5 will be 4 because 5 in 10 borrow 10 to 3 to become 13. Then now I don't have any problems. Let's do 13 minus 4. Okay, 13 minus 4 equals what? Using your fingers. Yes, I can hear someone that told me it's equal 9. Excellent. And what about tens minus tens? 4 minus 4 equals 0. And in 100, 1 minus nothing, it's equal 1. So down 1 in 100. Okay, here I have 109. So I make the first step, that was find the result, and it became 109. What is the second step? Yes, determine your place value. 1 is 100, 0 is tens, 9 is ones. Then the third step was write the number in the highest place value. The highest place value here is ones or tens or 100. Yes, it's 100, so the number here in the highest place value is 1. So I will write it again, 1. And the last step was make the other numbers 0. So I will make the tens 0 and ones 0. So write 0 in tens, 0 in ones. Okay, easy. So here I have in hundreds, I have 1. And in tens, I have 0. In ones, I have another 0 because the last step told me to make the other numbers in place value 0. Okay, let's make it by another example. 173 minus 33, the same steps. First, I need to make subtraction ones minus ones. 3 minus 3, excellent, equals 0. 7 minus 3, tens minus tens. 7 minus 3 equal 4. Excellent. And 1 minus nothing, 1 in 100 minus nothing here, so it will be 1. Okay, so it was the first step to make estimation, find the result, and I here find the result. Then determine your place value. The second step, determine your place value. Okay, 1 is 100, 4 is tens, 0 is ones. Third step, who can tell me what is the third step? Excellent. Write the number in the highest place value. Okay, what is the highest place value here? Ones, tens, or 100? Excellent, it is 100, so I will write 1 and 100 again. And the last step, make the other numbers in the place value tens and ones 0. So tens, I will make it 0. Ones, I will make it 0. So when we estimate 140, I get 100. And here also, when I estimate 109, I get 100. Easy? Okay, page 92. 193 minus 73. What is the first step? Yes, find the result. Okay, 3 minus 3 equals 0. 9 minus 7 equals 2. Excellent, good job. 1 minus nothing, it's 1. Okay, so I made the first step, find the result. The second step, determine your place value. 1 is 100, 2 is tens, 0 is ones. Okay, who can tell me the third step? Excellent, write the number in the highest place value. And the highest place value here, it's clear that it's the 100. So I will write the number in 100. What? It's 1, so I will write it again. And tens and ones, I will make it 0 and 0 and tens and ones. And it was the last step. So when I estimate 120, I get 100. Excellent. Another one, 163 minus 60. Okay, we need to estimate, but first we need to find the result. So let's find the result. 3 minus 0 equals 3. 6 minus 6, yes, equal 1? No, excellent, it's equal 0, right. And 1 minus nothing, it's equal 1. So we make the first step, find the result. Then determine your place value. 1 is 100, 0 is tens, 3 is ones. Okay, then what will I do? Excellent, write the number in the highest place value. So where is the highest place value? Tens? No, I have here 100, so it's the highest place value. Okay, what is the numbers in 100? It's 1. Excellent, so I will write it. And what about tens and ones? Who will live in tens and ones? It will be 0 in tens, 0 in ones. To estimate, I have to do this step. To make the tens 0 and ones is 0 and write the number in the highest place value. So when we estimate 103, I get 100. Excellent, primary 2. The last one, 143 minus 13. Okay, first step. Excellent, find the result. So ones minus ones, 3 minus 3 equals 0. Then tens minus tens, 4 minus 1 equal 3. And 1 minus nothing, it's equal 1. Excellent. What is the second step? Yes, I can hear you. Determine your place value. 1 in 100, 3 in tens, 0 in ones. So what is the third step now? Yes, write the number in the highest place value. Highest place value here is ones. No, excellent. It is the smallest place value. So the highest one is 100. And who lives in 100 here in this number? It's 1. So I will write it again, 1. And what about tens and ones? Don't forget we make estimate. So it will be 0 and 0. So when we estimate 130, I get 100. And 100 is the closest number for 130. Okay, and here 100 is the closest number to 103. 100 is the closest number to 120. So we make the estimation. Don't forget that we said that estimation means to find the number that closest to another number, and we will have 4 steps. The first one, find the result, then determine the place value, and the third one, write the number in the highest place value, and the last one, make the other numbers 0. Okay, so we arrived to the end of our lesson today. I hope you all find. Thank you. Bye bye.